Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Craig in Pennsylvania on the Ranger RCI-2995DX CF. Craig, got you ready to go, bud? You loaded this thing out, tune alignment, wideband receive mod, electrolytic capacitor upgrades, amp on off switch on the back. We unlocked the clarifier for you. The Toshiba upgraded regulator and the ERF 2030 pluses in the amp section, mainly for durability. You don't see a big increase of power on them, but you do see a little, but mainly for durability. Nothing wrong with the 520s that are in it. It's just the 2030 pluses seem to be a little bit more resilient. So let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. There's your 5 watts all the way down, just in case you decide to run a amp with you got full adjustability. 40 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. And somewhere between 80 85 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Low. About 175 180 PEP. Alrighty there, bud. We're ready to get this out to you, Craig. Hope you enjoyed it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.